Learn how to perform the prayer properly and with Khushu. Abu Huraira reported, "One day the Messenger of Allah led the prayer. Then turning towards his companions, he said, 'O you man, why don't you say your prayer well? Does the observer of prayer not see how he is performing the prayer, for he performs it for himself? By Allah, I see behind me as I see in front of me.'" Reference, Sahih Muslim 423. Abu Huraira reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, 'Do you find me seeing towards the Qibla only? By Allah, your bowing and your prostrating are not hidden from my view. Verily, I see them behind my back.'" Reference, Sahih Muslim 424. Anas bin Malik reported, "The Messenger of Allah said, 'Perform bowing and prostration well. By Allah, I see you even if you are behind me,' or he said, 'I see you, behind my back when you bow or prostrate.'" Reference, Sahih Muslim 425a. Anas reported, "The Apostle of Allah said, 'Complete the bowing and prostration well. By Allah, I see you behind my back as to how you bow and prostrate or when you bow and prostrate.'"